Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Crypto.com account. First, download the Crypto.com app and register with your email. You'll then need to confirm your email address and set up a strong password. This initial step is crucial for securing your account before proceeding with identity verification. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth process. Before you begin, gather your identification documents. A valid government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, is required. Make sure the document is current and not expired. Find a well-lit area to take clear photos, as blurry images can cause delays in the verification process. This preparation saves time and ensures accuracy. Now open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the verification section. You'll be prompted to take a photo of your ID. Ensure all four corners are visible and the text is readable. Next, you'll take a selfie. Look directly at the camera and make sure your entire face is within the frame. Avoid hats or glasses that obscure your features. After submitting your documents, the Crypto.com team will review your information. This process usually takes a few hours, but can sometimes extend up to 2 business days. You'll receive an email notification once your account is verified. With a verified account, you gain full access to all features, including buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.